Hello everyone, I will be unboxing this NVR. So this is the model here, as you can see. Let's do it. Let's do it. NVR. This is what we got inside. And 2-pin power plug. And you got the mouse. Got the power supply. You got one network cable inside. This is the NVR itself. You got 8-port PoE. And this way you connect your network for remote viewing. One HDMI, one VGA, 2 USB, power supply, earth cable. I'm going to open it and install a hard drive inside. Let's tight it then, and then format the hard drive. As you can see here, you can only install one hard drive inside. It's done. Just put 4 terabytes inside. I'm gonna close it back. No. Okay, I'm done. Now let me plug it and see. First time plugging it. It's the power. I'm gonna use this mouse. Alright, I'm gonna use my TV. Like HDMI. Let's power it and see. Bismillah. Should come on here in this TV. Show me something. Yeah, I'm gonna say English, apply. So this is what is suggesting me for the resolution. I'm gonna say yes. It's coming on. Yeah, I'm gonna add a password here. Okay, password. Activation camera. I'm gonna say use the service password. Click activate here. I'm gonna add a recovery email. Apply. There you go. Auto. Now it's going to format the hard drive. I'm gonna click yes. As you can see here, hard drive successfully format. The time is not set up. Hit connect for the remote view is not set up. I'm gonna do the time. Page synchronize. Now time. Time is on. 58. 59. Okay, save. As you can see what I done on the configuration side. I'm gonna do the heat connect when I do connect it to the internet that side. I'm gonna click now finish. As you can see here, they say no camera connected yet. Okay. I'm gonna connect one camera and then see how it look like. Okay. I'm gonna activate it. Inactive. Now it's active. Now I got this IP camera here. Okay. I just plug it on this POEC to activate it. Okay, remember, because this NVR got already PoE port, we are going to plug it here, and we don't need to change IP addresses. is plug and play. When you plug it, it's gonna automatically use the default IP address here. Okay, you give this camera a statistic IP only when it's plugged to a switch, not on the NVR. Okay, let's plug it to the NVR and see. Let's check on. Check here. Let's get some lights. Nothing yet. Okay, it says detecting here. Detecting one camera on 8. And it's connected to 8. So one thing I don't like about this NVR, the lights are not coming on, they are not flashing, as you can see. But if you check on the NVR, this is the camera I just plug in. As you can see here, it's weird. Okay, anyway, this was me unboxing this Hikvision NVR 8 channel. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.